recover your Gmail account. Plus, you have a lot of subscribers in your YouTube channel. Today's vlog, I will teach you on how to recover your Gmail account. I promise you that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my next video. So without further ado, let's start. As I promised, I will teach you on how to recover your Gmail account. Let's start. First thing you will do is go to google.com to sign in. Sign in and you will choose the Gmail account that you need to recover. And then you need to type wrong password 10 times. Again, you need to type wrong password 10 times. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Next step is you need to open any browser to download an application. Yes, either on Android. And then scroll down, not this one, just scroll down. So here, click this one, hide my IP address, fast unlimited VPN apps on Google Play. So we will click this. You need to download any apps. Now, any apps that you like to hide your IP address. So either hide my VPN or hide vanish VPN, hide my name, USA VPN, Windscribe. This is the one that I use, Windscribe. One last wrong password. Okay. And then click next. After that, forget password. video helps you to recover your Gmail account and reconnect with subscribers again. Thank you so much. But before you go, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I have new uploaded videos. Thank you.